Oh. Off, eh? Scissors or where? Oh. Very nice. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Welp! It's been a while since we've been down here. You may have even forgot that this studio is a huge place with a lot happening. Some of which you don't know about yet. But this video right here is focused on that guy. Is that the coolest, best TV on planet Earth right now? It's quite possible. It's the W8 77-inch LG Signature OLED TV W. The W, of course, indicates the fact that this is the Wallpaper TV. Now, if you watched my video from last year, I mounted up the 65-inch version of this. This is the bigger brother. This is the holy grail of OLED TVs as it stands right now. Now, I have a very particular implementation idea for this. It's gonna mount right up there on this really cool wall as part of this LED array. It's all kinds of plans going on, but you already knew that. If the image quality is like the 65-inch, then this is the thing to beat right now. As far as pictures are concerned in general, moving pictures, the movies, OLED, contrast, deep blacks, rich tones, colors, saturation. Now look, this is not cheap. This TV's gonna run you a few bucks, but if you want the best of the best, if you want to be a champion, you gotta pay like a champion. Welcome. Now, since this is a wallpaper TV, it does mount up. In fact, it uses some kind of magnet system, and then a bunch of the electronics for the TV, they live in the speaker unit, which sits underneath it. Very nice. Sweet. Maybe now is time to get Willie Doo, Hilly Hoo into the mix. Who knows what he's up to? I don't. I've been curious about what Will Doo's been doing now for many years. You can never tell with Willie Doo. The man's a wild card. Did you have a good sleep last night or? Oh my God, that's so easy. Wow. The two pieces, they just flap down. No funny business, no acrobatics. The TV is so thin. This is the TV in the back. Well, right here. Remember when you were a kid? What did your TV look like, dude? Giant CRT. Yeah. Yeah, the tube. Yeah. Had a tube in it. What were you watching on that TV? Okay, so maybe just, oh my, oh! I don't know if that was good or not. Hilly just getting after it all of a sudden. What do you think this is, Will? Your show or something? You got a new show? It's another day at the office there, Will, or what? Right. There it is. There it is. Right. That's right, boys. Oh, oh! Hey, boys! Jeez Louise. Use your rotator cuffs. Holy moly, boys. Oh, easy, boys. Easy, boys. You just telling people what to do today, Jack? Oh my God! Wow. Oh. What? Where? Angry. Kelly be angry. When it's like the slow motion, the hand. You ready? Doors though. Check the fabric on the left moving. It's the textures. It's the textures is what's happening. The detail, the textures. Look at him. You want to go toe to toe with a man like that? You were floating. I saw you levitate. Your feet were not touching the ground. I was worried about you. Like, what are we doing right now? Oh! Look at that guy. See, Will, you should have got this guy, not this guy over here. Man, life is pretty wild, though. If we turned off some of these lights, hit those, that's a solar panel on one of those huts. Oh, wow. They're just living
Wow,
over here.
everyone's got one.
Yeah. That dude is way happier than you'll ever be. Guaranteed. They're just in the hot springs right now. I don't know the last time the group of us was quiet for that long. Jeez, man. It's a whole, I mean, you're not gonna be able to tell on the camera lens. I said this in the last video. We can't truly represent through this video what that looks like in real life. The best I can do to represent it through words is to say that it's the next best experience to being physically standing there. Now we're watching some wonderful nature stuff, but of course this would apply to whatever type of content you want to look. And it's actually kind of amazing the choices that are out there now for high-res stuff, high frame rate, and even in this case, HDR content, which the TV can take advantage of, as it is in this case right here. I mean, this is it. It's the best on the market. It's the best out there if that's what you're looking for. This is the biggest version. If you want to spend the cash, I promise you, you will not be upset. I mean, that's the bottom line. It's incredible. It's like real life from your living room. Speechless. You saw it. You saw it in the expression. The Wallpaper TV, 77-inch. Holy smokes.